Oh, I don't have any gas. I totally forgot. Man, I'm so bored of this exhaust. It'd be great if we could change it. But it's not any louder, it's quiet. We'll listen. Pop, pop. Dude, that's sick. Well guys, unfortunately it's rainy season again. The clocks go back an hour today. It's already getting dark at 6 o'clock, which means it's gonna be dark at 5 o'clock, which means it's back to dark videos. I'm so sorry, so sorry. I don't like it as much as you guys won't like it. I don't like it either, so don't worry. It sucks to work in, and like, I mean, because the thing is, I get home from work and it's dark out and I can't do much. We'll work with it though. It's that time of season. But what is going on, guys? Today, I just did the Resonator delete on the MazdaSpeed 3, and I'm gonna be talking about it a bit to you guys who, you know, maybe want to do it to your own car. Let me go quickly grab it. Yeah, it fell. Ooh, big smear in the seat. Alright guys, so this is what we took out of the Speed 3. Big piece of metal, big piece of restricted metal. This is not the muffler, okay guys? This is the Resonator. Let's take a look inside the Resonator. It's a big pipe with mesh in it. It's almost like a muffler. So yeah, it's literally just a big piece of metal, hollows out sound. What you guys heard on the MazdaSpeed 3 there, in that little exhaust clip at the beginning, the sound without the Resonator, okay? So this is the Resonator delete. Basically how the exhaust works for you guys is it goes from the cat back, it goes cat, Resonator right after, loops all the way around to the muffler in the back. So this Resonator is just after, I think it's the cat. I think it is the cat, I believe. I don't have any photos of it, but it's pretty easy. So what I did, I called up this guy at this muffler shop. I'm like, hey, can you do Resonator delete? He's like, yeah, bring it down. So I brought it down to him, put it up on the hoist. He worked on it 45 minutes. $100 Canadian, okay? It's about 60 bucks US just to get your Resonator delete done. Can I say that's worth it? I think that so. I think if you're looking to not buy an exhaust and not get tuned at the moment, then this is why I did it, because I'm not getting flash tuned for a bit until I get my intake and everything. So I thought, hey, you know what? I'm kind of getting sick and tired of this, you know, sound. I kind of want to upgrade. So I chucked the Resonator. A lot of you haters or guys, or you're naturally aspirated guys, or you guys are gonna say, well, you're losing power. You just lost a bunch of power. Now you don't have back pressure. So anybody that's wondering if you are gonna lose any power or anything out of this, that's an absolute no. I drove the car after. Didn't feel any different. If anything, I probably got a little bit more power out of it. Let's be honest, guys. But nothing, no power loss at all, okay? So anyways, that's, we're making the MazdaSpeed a little bit loud. We haven't done any mods for a while for the MazdaSpeed 3, so I figured we'd do the Resonator because it's harmless and obviously it made some good sound. It sounds decent. The droning isn't that bad in the cabin. It's a little bit more. It doesn't drone that much. Can you hear it when you put your foot down? Yeah? It's not... Like I said, because the thing is, I have the rear motor mount, so my cabin vibrates quite a bit, and so it's not really a difference to me. It sounds a little better. I really want to hear like it take off, but obviously like I don't have anybody to drive my car. Get some sound clips for you guys. We're gonna go out for a drive, and you guys can hear. And you know, everything like that. It is raining out right now. I have an OTS Tune right now, so I can't grip when I boost, which kind of sucks, but I'll try and get some sound demos for you guys so you guys can hear what it sounds like from the inside, and I'll get some from the outside. Let's go and have some fun without this big beast. Okay, I'll give it a little one for you guys. I just slide, it's so annoying. personal opinions is that it still kind of sounds like the stock exhaust, but a little louder and with a little bit of different noise. But it definitely does have a different tone to it, per se my stock exhaust or with the Resonator would. You guys can tell your speakers are bassing right now. The D cell is a lot louder. Hopefully I don't spin too much. A little bit, window open a little bit. Dude crossed over into my lane so he could pass someone. I mean, with all due respect. Guys, don't drive stupid in the rain. I know that's what I'm doing right now, but be smart. Don't pull out on people, because brakes don't work as good. I'm gonna get some outside clips for you too. Alright guys, that's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content with the MazdaSpeed. And if you guys have any comments, questions, leave them down in the comments below. Resonator delete, like I said, I talked about it. Is it worth it? I think so. It's something cool. It sounds good from the outside when I did those launch clips, so I'm pretty satisfied. But anyways guys, thanks for coming out. Keep it real. I'll see you guys in the next one.